Good morning, everyone. My name is Aditi, and today I'm going to talk about what everyone is talking about is that with AI, is our job secure? So, I'm a registered clinical counselor, and the conversation that's happening within the field is that is need for a counselor going to be replaced now that we have AI? So I just want to talk on that a little bit. So I think from the conversations I have been having with industry professionals in AI industry, as well as psychotherapists, counselors, my own supervisors, the short answer is no. AI cannot replace a therapist, and here is why. AI cannot regulate a dysregulated nervous system in real time. So you're in a therapy room and you're having a conversation with someone who is dysregulated. As a counselor, you can provide them tools in the real time to regulate themselves so that emotion regulation piece cannot happen with a machine. So AI can be useful. It can provide psychoeducation. It can offer reflection prompts. Maybe it can do CBT therapy. It can simulate empathy. But is it actually going to provide that relational presence? Can it hold trauma energy that we do as trauma counselors? And the answer would be no. Maybe in the future, but what we do as human beings is really valuable showing up for someone. Yes, AI is accessible and you might not be able to see your therapist right away, but the value we provide comes from ability to hold space for someone, offering that attuned relational presence, navigating subtle transference, counter transference dynamics, and sitting with silence, embodying that grief, tuning into what's happening emotionally for them. In fact, as AI's importance increases, human relational depth, human connection becomes more useful, more valuable. But how can we stay up to date and integrate AI in our work? So, AI can provide homework support. It can come up with some prompts. It can give psychoeducation in a, psychoeducational supplements. It can maybe simplify the language. It can be intake assistance. But the core skill of being non-judgmental, providing that presence, attuned presence, human authenticity, that is not replaceable yet. So don't worry, folks. Keep doing what you're doing. And if you have any questions, concerns, reach out. Wellness Counseling. This is Aditi, and I look forward to continuing this conversation with you.